What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. Okay, you guys, we are right here where we left off, and I wanted to just start off by looking at some of these kits. I've noticed that Five Below has added a lot of puzzles, and I think some of these are new over here as well. Real Littles for $5. What do we get? Is it just the holder? It's just the holder. So if you collect Real Littles, they have the little collectible holders in here. You are not actually gonna get any Real Littles inside. We have a little hairstylist playset, a science playset, a chemistry playset, tons of puzzles, including wooden puzzles and glitter puzzles. They've really added a bunch of puzzles. And then onto the toys, we have the Glitzies dolls, My Little Ponies, Blue's Clues, Royal Trends, Whisker Haven, Peppa Pig, Kindy Kids. They're so cute with their big eyes. We have the Pixar Remix toys. We have the super big Lost Kitties. Okay, what do we get? We get one kitty from the Shine Squad, and we get, how much? 13 ounces of what, the mixture? I swear these were like $14 in Walmart. I kind of want to get one. We also have the Mini Jet playset by Paw Patrol. We have Mr. Potato Head. We have water babies. Oh my, you guys, these are so cute. They're just $5 little water babies. These are brand new. Aren't they so cute? Aw, I want to look at all of them. $5 babies. So cute. Oh, look. These are adorable. I just want to look at all of the different varieties of babies that we have. Aww. Looks like we have 3 different complexions. Again, these are just $5. Super cute. $5. We have many different styles. It looks like we have, again, about 3 different complexions per each style. We also have the Barbie mini styling heads. We also have the Evie mini styling heads up here from Disney Descendants 3. Glitzies pets. PJ Mask, Furball, Catapult, super cute. We have action figures, Ninja action figures, Overwatch action figures, Star Wars figures by Hasbro. We have Avengers. We have lightsabers, Pokemon, battle figures, Ben 10, Roblox, all sorts of things, little dart guns, foam guns, archery sets, all sorts of stuff over here, you guys, bats and balls. We just moved into all the sports stuff, but let's look over here because we have some new items for fall. Ooh, look at these. Oh my gosh, you guys, they're actually real Squishmallows. It has been so long. This is supposed to be a pack of crayons. It's been so long since I've seen an actual Squishmallow in Five Below. It's been since Christmas because these just sell out so fast. So this is Jadel. And then this one is Cade. So my store only has Jadel and Cade. That's it. They go really fast. and they're no longer $5. Now they're $5.55. Now I know you guys are gonna wanna see room, but we're probably gonna do that in another video. We have slippers, cozy slippers. We have tees, cream, rose, and brown. Some bodysuits. These are just left over from summer, so I'm not gonna show those. We have jean jackets, blue and black. We have this yellow long sleeve, these little ribbed shirts. Let's look over here. These pants are new. We have these little dresses. These are kind of stretchy. This one is stretchy as well, $5 dresses. Just $5. And then over here, we have some sweatshirts. These were actually on one of the tables a couple weeks ago, but these fleece pullovers are brand new. We have cream, lilac, blue, and this sort of camel color. They each have 4 buttons. And then we have some ribbed leggings up here, gray, blue, and black. I'm not sure if any of these shirts are new or not. This one does look new to me. We always have lots of great tees. We even have some new tees up by the Halloween items. This is one of them. I'm considering getting this one. It's a Ghostbusters tee. I love the pink and blue and all the neons. I think it's super cute. Look at these colors though. Over here. Ooh, look at these beautiful colors. Wow. That's a nice tee. Star Wars. Wow. Look at these colors. Like, I want it just for the colors. I'm really not a Star Wars fan, but I love the colors so much. If you guys have never tried the tees from here, you're gonna love them. I think some of these are new as well. These initial keychains. These look a lot like the ones you see people making on TikTok. These are also brand new. These chakra stones and these intention stones, these are brand new. These are $3.50 each because they have the little red dot on the back of them. And then over here we have some basic hoodies, shorts, solid color tees, and solid color long sleeves for the guys. These are all short sleeve. I like this color. We have more sweats. We have elastic waist, like cargo pants. This is what the bottoms look like. Just $5. Some flannels. And then lots of workout items here. I think some of these colors might be new for fall. This one's super cute, burgundy. Yeah. I've never tried any of their workout bras, but they're super cute. You guys let me know in the comments if you've tried them, and if you have, how do you like them? Okay, I think we have a couple new tees. This one is brand new. It says, "I am dead inside," Michael from The Office. Also brand new is The Slice. Definitely new. And then this one that says "Forever Whatever" is also brand new with the cactus. And Wild and Free, this one is also brand new. if you come here once a week, then pretty soon you'll be able to realize which ones are brand new, fresh, because you would have looked at these a lot and you're like, oh yeah, I think this one is new. You Are Magic is also brand new. Here's the Peanuts one. This one's been here. I have this one at home. I haven't worn it yet though. Yeah, you guys, lots of new things here in Five Below. I have one more video to film for you guys, so definitely come back to the very next video. We're gonna look at some more lounge pants, then we're gonna go through makeup and head into rooms. So I will see you guys in my next video. Hit the like button and definitely subscribe if you haven't yet and you like what you're seeing here. I'd love to have you guys as part of the Bunny Birdie Gator family. But all right, you guys, that's it for me, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.